So today is going to be very amazing classes of faith and finance.
Tinye hadaw kia tenglak po financially niyang nang tenglak po mahangkay ngolak hadaw taw nga
To
huna.
living a very well good life, we need a faith over God, also a finance.
Teman ngolak jengna teman ajen mai ngolak jengna teman tenglak po wongpong yang hadaw fai jam sa teman financially teman senghai ngena wongpong nam yang nang.
So today I want to give some tips to the new couples and also those who are youngsters, those who are doing job.
Yang tinye taw hadaw mai yafan yang tang semlan etem da hadaw ngau hadaw share hunang hadaw pongtam hunang.
And I believe these classes will bring a great change in your life and you are going to be blessed.
Yang tahu etinglah kemong hamatay nang hataw topik kaya moy lanjeng na mohe mana yang laksa yang hataw kaya naman yung sengayabu oklak sa taw mong hamatay nang.
So if you are working somewhere and receiving some salary,
Tang semlan etam naman na hataw nyujeng etam ma hataw kaya naman na lekyang lepe tawlak jeng na naman na tuy lengnang.
so if you're getting a salary, suppose of 14,000 rupees,
Lepo jaman nang hataw salary nang lekyang ngun daw nang hataw man nang lepo jaman 14,000 taw bu hipang
do you know this 14,000 can be a biggest saving of your life and you will be grow as a rich.
Ada 14,000 nang safe na miyang bukayan nang yan ada bill na miyang yung hakpa jana lengetam na ada 14,000 mo nang.
My dear brother and sister,
Tau kai tau kan punya nau channel lang.
learn to manage your money.
Tau kai nang pong tawan nang tau bu seng hai ngan nang manage miyang lak china nang learn na miyang do seng ya do.
So today we're going to learn about it.
Tau kai nang tuman bulan hado seng ya ha tini.
So first of all, you must be having a plan.
Tau kai wang baya fan ma tuman na plan ang lak pong yang plan tum lak pong.
Write it down on the paper what you need and what you wanted to buy.
Teman right atau paper ma teman list na miyang lak pong atau lekyang mong manang hangi bongpong na miyang bu nang list na miyang do.
So whatever you wanted to buy, when you make a list, you are able to understand what is your monthly budget.
Yang hataw hipang manak si open nang list miyang yang atau chun na talaga hataw hipang manang senglak atau lekyang mong mahangi pan nang jing na bongpong na miyang bu atau nang sengpay glak.
So try to make some portions of your salary like for the future saving, for your emergency expenses, for your future. Like that you make some portions and save in the bank little bit money.
Yang teman nang hataw kia nang ngui glak future jing na portion yang teman necessary sa asibo yung urgent teman hataw ngai nang hataw hipang ma hataw use lak yang hataw yung sa asibo emergency purpose hataw yu na hataw ang yang hataw nang peng ma hataw kia saving ang bu oklak.
My dear brother and sister,
Ang
many people earn years and years and the last they don't have anything remain in their hand.
Tau kan punya nau jenau lan tau hadaw seng ok nang teman tang sem hipang ma teman wang peng ngawok wang peng nyita hadaw kia teman tui leng nang teman job nga private ma hadaw kia ma bu yu individual hadaw kia teman tui leng nang kam ngo nang yang boy nang ngui kalak yang nang ngui yang phai ma ching ngui yang phai ma akum ta ngui sa hadaw nang yang ma khau cha no ya nang ba sau shi bu ma ngi nang
Due to poor financial planning.
hadawa hang mangai bo si shi buna mega matamana financially no tamana singai ngan tumana plan bu hara tumana yeman bo chingne yang hataw tumana hataw chun bo yeman bo chingna hataw kai tumana sau shi bo kaina
Don't so eager to buy the things.
au bo nang mamsa hataw nang ngi bo makang ngi bo mamsa saklak chingna tangang
That is the very poor choice in the finance.
hatawa yong tuman chingna hatawa teman chingna yong ya phan meng bu hataw cha teman chingna singhai ngana teman chingna hataw ngonang.
So I want to give you one example.
Tawan naman da lepo cha inang
If you wanted to buy a watch,
nanga lepo cha man nanga watch yak malang la kada watch cha nanga saku bu na menga
which is cost almost 8,000 rupees,
nanga hada 8,000 haja that you bu hada watch nanga yahu bu na menga
and your salary is just a 10,000,
yang nang jing salary lek yang da tau bu ngena li ngena haja pen hai Tobu yang.
So if you sudden buy this 8,000 rupees watch, for a while you can fulfill your desire, but in the 2,000 it's very hard to run your life.
Ma nang lepu jaman nang hatau haja tat jubu wat shaklak jing na nang da lekyang da haja pen Tobu yang hata mam se anyo nang jing desire fulfill na myang lak jing na nang atau haja pen Tobu lekyang da Tobu hatau haja pen na nang haja tat phayang nang atau wat shaklak haja I Tobu hatau haja iyan na nang hatau lekyang khong kumba ran na myang yok lak hai hatau kaya nang da poor condition pay tam nang.
But I want to tell you, make a plan.
Tau khoi tau naman da ihu bua nang hangya wong pong nang yung desire na myang hu bu hatau ya hu bu ya ben nang plan nang tau.
So just you save 1,500 rupees for the watch,
Just nang hatau lekyang da nang 1,500 haja atau haja konga hatau kia nang 1,500 dan nang hatau ki save na myang do pocket man.
so every time when you are going to save every month is 1,500, 1,500, 1,500,
Nang lekyang lep iya nang 1,500 haja konga nang atau ki save na myang bun myang ma.
within 4 months
Atau lekyang peli mong
it's going to be a 6,000.
atau lekyang peli mong nang da hatau haja wong na myang taik la.
And within a 8 month it's going to be almost 9,000.
Nang opo hatau yahu bu hipak pa ya pa hatau lekyang tu mong ma lekyang nyitat mong man nang da hatau 9,000 haja tu na myang taik lak nang save myang bu nang wong pong na myang bu ya lak pa hatau ngena.
Little late and patience is good to get a thing,
Nang wong pong na myang ba let na myang nok sun bu no myang nok yang boy nang nan ok pu hai wong pong hatau sun bu nang jing na mai de ngok lak.
but when you will get this watch after 9 months you will have a better financial plan, and also you are not going in the debt of someone, and you will also have a safe finance to run your life.
Yang boy open nang hatau jing na nang yong nan bu phai nang yong hatau save na myang yang nang hatau haja tat ju bu hatau wash ya bu na myang kama nang jing na hatau chậm nuôi financially nang plan strong na myang lak yang nang hatau ipang man nang da lekyang chamban lekyang ma tau lak ngân tau sau man nang sau shibu yang hang ya chun sa nang yingok lak nang pokita yikyang ba hatau kyam matai lak.
That's why many people they are getting even 40, 40, 50, 50,000 rupees also, but not sufficient for their life.
Yang boy ma buka talan tau ngi bang nang lekyang da 40,000, 50,000 haja tija pantau buka talan mangi nang yang boy lekyang janoi hatau imanda sufficient imanda hatau kia wang hai ngo ye chun okwa hatau kia imanda financially yonga so shibu ngi bang nang.
But even in our UP Uttar Pradesh, one who getting 15,000 also, he can teach his kids, also can be build house, and also he can manage everything.
Yang boy tawa teman Uttar Pradesh hatau UP menui kata sija tau ngi okeng atau 15,000 haja pan mengatau bu atau kata sija ia inokwe ok yang I hayamanda school amai da suana dai yang I nokwi ok yang iman yong wa to chun bu hatau ngi wan da iman financially iman yong plan iman ching hatau mai chun bu hatau ngi okeng.
Why? Because of a better financial planning.
Tau khoi hatau hangna chun bu si shibra menga ma iman financially plan hatau sing hai ngan chun bu man bu yang iman tui sau kong kum plan ja pha ma cha sa iman plan pha kem bu ching na hatau leng ok nang future iman pil na myang ok nang.
So now you are youth.
Tau khoi saat mana tang chimlan nang
If you started to follow the plans
tau khoi nang hatau plan dan nang follow na myang bu myang ma
and savings,
yang saving na myang bu myang ma
then you will have better life.
hatau kaya nang yan chin keman nang ching na yong to le mai bu ya fan nang tau lak nang
Also better future.
yang nang future yong mai tai lak nang.
I didn't say is that we should not expense,
Tau naman da expand na tam yang si bu ye che yang boy naman da ihu
but
ba
I want to tell you, make a plan, whether little late, but you should not make your hand empty.
tau khai tau naman da ihu ba naman da expand na tam yang si bu ye che yang boy nanga explain na myang hu bua hatau ase list myang yang nanga expand na myang da yang nan bu fai pong gambu nang da pong na meng bu sa si ye chi yang bu plan cha phai ma cha san nang leng bu na meng ga man nang pocket bu im chi na ye meng lak bu ye kyang lak yang na future better na meng ta klak
Sometimes I also buy some things which I like.
hipa la tawo hang ye tawo yong leng bu tu ya tawo sak nang
Sometimes I cut off some extra expenses like whatever cold drinks and the chips, whatever I'm eating out, I cut off and very easily I can afford it.
hipa la tawo yong pong na meng bu ha da sak ai ba tawo ha u bu cold drink yang tawo ha u bu chips pong gambu ha da tawo kat na meng nang tawo ha da ang nang yang tawo pong na meng bu ha da ba tawo yong ya u ba ha da ya nang
So this is the tips for the new generation youths, those who are working.
tàu hay hà tàu ma bu tăng sim lan au sna out ne yang yui chung sama yui chung ma tui leng balan ngon nang tàu hà tàu kam ngo bu private ma individually hà tàu kia tui leng balan da tàu naman ta hà tàu plan naman ta hà tàu itam nang
I want to tell you, if you are getting 10,000 rupees,
tàu hay tàu naman da iu ba naman da lek yang da haja pan tàu na meng ma
try to finish all your expenses within a 6,000.
tàu hay nang vong pong na meng expand na meng ba ha nang ha 6,000 ha cha vong mong man nang ha kia expand na meng nang
Try to save 4,000 rupees per month.
yang lekyang lep even nang ha cha plian nang save na meng nang
So yearly it will be 48,000.
tàu hay nang lekyang lep ya ha cha vukan nang vong pong da nang expand na meng yang ha cha pli ba yin nang bona nang save na meng ma wang peng pong kambum bong manang da 40,000 80,000 ha ta mui kla
Then how about in 2 years? How about the 3 years? Your financial will grow.
tàu gây hạ tàu kaya no mà lấy kiêng wang peng le mong gan nang hạ tàu save po kaya nang da hang sen bong pong hang sen na chai lo na sing hangan cha lo lak si
If you have good talent, half money you can again invest in businesses and something, and again you can be have half money remain in your hand.
yang nang yong talent cha na meng ma nang ma yong hung ho nang business lam me yang teaching lam hang ying ho ya boy nang hạ tàu man nang investment meng ma hạ tàu ma new nang the profitable hạ tàu pay lang nang
Because building a life is not some magic.
tàu khai tuman yan leng bu yang tuman life pill na meng ba tuman na magic cha ye chi ha tàu magic leng bu ye chi
It's your proper wisdom from the Lord to managing things.
tàu khai tuman na kawang ma bu chu te kawang ma bu hi te bai tuman na hai tui leng bu nang
And it's a journey.
yang ha tàu tuman chung ne journey cha ngonang yen kem bu cha le tuman ha tàu kia tui so li asaya leng kem na
So may God bless you.
mulan da kawang man fa